Hi everyone. Welcome back to Once Upon English. Today's video brings you a fun and special story that will help you improve your English. If you're here to practice your listening skills, you're in exactly the right place. And if you're also looking to boost your speaking skills, then this video is perfect for you too. We'll be using a technique called shadowing. Now, what is shadowing? It's a simple and enjoyable way to get better at English. All you do is listen to me and repeat what I say, trying to match how I speak. It's just like being my shadow, you follow along with my voice. In this video, I will talk slowly and clearly. After every sentence, I'll pause so you can repeat it. First, listen carefully. Then say the sentence out loud, copying my pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. You can pause the video whenever you need more time to practice, and feel free to watch it over and over again. That's how progress happens. You'll also see the full text on the screen while I speak. That way, you can read along, which helps with understanding and learning new words. Let me now tell you a bit about today's story. It's about a girl named Elena. She has been studying English for several years. Though her English isn't perfect, she's able to speak and understand fairly well. She needs to travel to another U.S. state, and something unexpected happens. Can you guess what it might be? Let's find out together. Are you ready to practice English with me? Let's begin. My name is Elena. Today, I'm taking a trip to a different state. I've got my ticket, my bag is packed, and I'm feeling prepared. But today is a bit different. I'm not going to the usual airport. This time, I'm flying out from a new airport because the flight is cheaper. I think, great, I can save money. But here's the problem, I don't know this airport at all. I've never been here before. I arrive and see some cars and signs, but I don't see the check-in counter. That seems odd. Where should I go? Then I notice a bus with the word shuttle written on it. I wonder, do I need to take this bus? So I ask someone, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the check-in area?" The man replies, but I can't understand him. He talks way too fast. I simply say thank you and walk toward the bus anyway. I think to myself, okay, maybe this is right. Maybe this bus takes people to the airport. But soon I realize there's a small issue. Inside the bus, there are no signs and no screens showing the stops. I don't know when or where to get off. I figure, maybe I'll recognize the check-in area when we arrive. The bus starts moving. It turns and turns again. I wait and wait, but I don't see anything that looks like an airport. Eventually, the bus stops. I look outside, and I'm back at the parking lot. What? How did this happen? I just went in a big circle. I feel so confused. I wonder, should I try again? Should I ask someone what's going on? I decided to stay on the bus. I don't say anything. Then the driver turns to me and says, "You didn't get off." I respond, "I didn't know where to get off." He laughs and says, "That's okay. Let's go again, I'll help you." I feel relieved. Maybe this time I'll get it right. So off we go again, my second ride. I watch through the window and recognize the streets and buildings. Okay, I think, this looks familiar. I remember this part. The bus stops again. But the driver says nothing. Should I get off now? I wait. The bus moves again. Oh no. I think, maybe that was the stop. Now I'm getting nervous. What if I miss it again? The bus turns and stops once more. This time the driver says, "This is not your stop." Wait, what? Is he watching me? He says, "Don't worry. I know where you need to go." Inod, okay, thank. But honestly, I still don't know where we're headed. Finally, the bus stops one more time. The driver smiles and says, "Here it is. The check-in area is right over there." I feel so happy. Then he adds jokingly, "You just had the full tour. The first ride's free." Oh no. I feel embarrassed. But at least I made it. I get off the bus and the driver points, saying, "Go that way. You'll find the check-in area." I thank him and walk ahead. And yes, I see it, the check-in counters. I've finally arrived. I think, I made it. I get my phone to check the ticket. Yes, everything's good. I'm ready to check in. But wait, where's my ticket? I quickly check my phone again. Yes, I have it. All is fine. I go stand in line waiting for my turn. Then I hear a noise. It's the same bus. The same driver is back. He stops the bus, opens the door, and yells, "Hey, you forgot something." My heart jumps. Oh no, Did I leave my bag? I rush over and ask, what did I forget? He smiles and says, you forgot to wave goodbye. What? Is that a joke? Yes, he laughs. I laugh too. Then he says, next time you'd better ask which stop is yours. And try not to take the full tour again. I say, okay, you're right. I'll ask more questions next time. He drives off, and I stand there thinking, you'd better be prepared when using a new airport. You'd better listen carefully when someone talks fast. And you'd better remember, planes won't wait. This airport might be tricky, but I figured it out. I made it, and now I'm ready for my flight. I've learned what to do next time. This story is funny, but it also teaches something important. When we're in new places, it's normal not to understand everything. Sometimes people speak quickly. Sometimes we feel confused. And that's okay. We're learning. We're growing. Mistakes are part of the journey. In my story, I didn't understand the directions. I didn't know where to get off the bus. I ended up going in circles. It felt confusing, even scary. But in the end, I figured it out. And learning English is the same. Maybe you don't catch every word, or maybe your sentences aren't perfect. Maybe you feel shy or unsure. But keep going. You'd better not give up. You'd better keep practicing. Every mistake teaches you something. Every time you try, you get better. You don't need perfect English, just clear communication. People will help you, just like the bus driver helped me. So today, remember this: it's okay to feel lost sometimes and to make mistakes. You're doing amazing just by trying. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking out loud. You're not only learning English, you're learning to be confident. And one day you'll proudly say, I remember when English felt difficult, but now I speak without fear. Language takeaway. Let's now look at some useful words and phrases from Elena's story. These expressions are super handy when you're traveling or in daily life. In the story, the driver said, you'd better ask which stop is yours. You'd better not ride the full tour again. So, what do you mean? It's a way to strongly suggest or warn someone about something. It's like saying, it's a good idea to do this. The pattern is you'd better plus base verb. Examples. You'd better study. You'd better ask questions. You'd better not be late. If you say you'd better not, it means don't do it. Examples from the story. You'd better not ride the full tour again. You'd better listen next time. You can use it to advise others or yourself. Like Elena says, I'd better ask more questions next time. Or, I'd better check the stops. Practice time. Now let's repeat some helpful phrases. Say them out loud. You'd better ask for help. You'd better not wait too long. You'd better be careful next time. I'd better listen more. I'd better learn from this. Bonus lesson. In the story, Elena says, what just happened? This question is used when something strange, surprising, or confusing occurs. It means, I don't understand what is going on. Use it when something goes wrong. Something unexpected happens. Someone says something odd. Examples. The bus returns to the same place. What just happened? You miss your stop. What just happened? Someone speaks too fast. What just happened? You can say it to yourself or out loud. It's a common expression in everyday conversation. Practice with me. What just happened? I don't understand what just happened. Wait, what just happened? Quick review. Today, you learned 2 great expressions. You'd better give advice or a warning. What just happened? To show surprise or confusion. Both are simple, natural, and useful in real English conversations. Great work today. These phrases will help you in travel situations or anytime you feel unsure. Thanks for practicing with me. I hope Elena's story made you smile and helped you learn something new. Don't forget, you can rewatch this video as many times as you like to improve your shadowing. The more you repeat, the better your rhythm, pronunciation, and confidence will get. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep learning English together. Before you go, remember this: learning English isn't about perfection, it's about courage. So keep speaking, keep asking, and enjoy every part of the journey.